Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Drift token. Name of the token is Drift, ticker symbol is also Drift. Now this token, it says, is live for pre-sale on their page. We're going to go over the information on this token, or this pre-sale actually looks like it hasn't even started yet. This is very brand new, and it says here that so far they've raised $0, and we'll go over here when the pre-sale starts, exactly when you can get the token, when the pre-sale ends, the info on this token, etc. We're going to do all that in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So we're in between basically pre-sales. So that's what I was confused there. So the pre-sale first part, their round, whatever you want to call it, the first round is over. And it says they sold out in just 2 hours. And it says January 3rd is our second round. And it says AKA lap 1. So it's their second round, but it's lap 1. That's kind of confusing. But okay, anyway, so you'll have to wait until January 3rd to get involved with the second round of this pre-sale here. And you can see this in the pinned tweet here. So I'm going to put their Twitter right in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. It says, at the Drift token on x.com. It says, a studio token with fringe benefits. Drift token is the studio token behind Drift and its suite of products, beginning with the win-to-earn Web3 game. And then it has a link to their webpage, drifttoken.io. Underneath that, it has a link to their Telegram at Drift Portal on Telegram, and it's a brand new project. They just joined Twitter here in November 2023. So even though they sold out in 2 hours, their Twitter only has 184 followers so far. They do have 103 tweets though, where you can find all sorts of information. Their Telegram at Drift Portal only has 129 subscribers on there as well. Now, if you go over to their webpage though, you're going to find all sorts of information. You can find a full white paper. First of all, let's just go over the token though. So how the token's allocated, it says 50% or 57% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 21% goes to LP, 13% goes to the reserve tank, 5% gets burned, 4% goes to ambassadors. Now, if you are going to buy or sell this token later on off of a decentralized exchange, it says there is tax. So you'll have to set your slippage around 5% because there's 5% tax, where 1% goes to liquidity, 1% revenue sharing, and 3% game pool. So a big part of this project, obviously, is their game, racing game, obviously. Most likely involves drifting, I would guess. Now there is a 10 billion total supply of this token here. And it says pre-sale use of funds. So the funds that they acquire from these pre-sales, it says 44% of that is going to go to initiation LP, 28% marketing, 17% development, 11% listings and partnerships. At the very bottom of their page, you can find the contract address. You can find the Telegram, the Twitter, YouTube. It says play in browser, so you might even be able to try this game out here. It's got a utilities, ambassador section, and a full white paper as well. So let's go over the roadmap here. So starting with website live and then V1 game playable. So those are checked off, so you'll actually be able to try out the game if you like. There's a link at the bottom of the page at drifttoken.io. So then we got first 10 gold ambassadors onboarded, Telegram open, organized Twitter AMAs, Presale warm-up lap opens. Ambassador program expansion. Presale warm-up lap complete. Phase 2, top ambassador presale warm-up lap awarded. Presale lap 1 opens. Crypto publications, different news outlets. Then we got marketing campaigns. Presale lap 1 complete. Phase 3, more ambassador stuff, more presales. Web3 ad campaign, lots of advertising going on. Then phase 4 here, basically same sort of thing. Ambassadors, presale, open and staff Discord. So 2 different Discords, I guess, you can join. Well, one's for staff. And then we got begin the GameFi marketing. And then phase 5, more ambassadors, more presale stuff, more press. Then we got Chinese market expansion. And then we got more phases of the roadmap coming after that. So basically it's just pre-sale roadmap so far. They do have links to team members here. They don't have pictures, but they have full names, job titles, and a Twitter and LinkedIn address for all of their team members there. So it says a strong team with over 50 years of experience, over $50 million raised, and over 800 million valuation of projects that the teams has worked on in the past. So when you're going to buy this, or if you do buy this token, obviously research this token before even thinking about getting it. Now it says you can get the token with Ethereum on their webpage, but also possibly BNB, Polygon, and Pulse. It has buttons for those. The Ethereum one is the only one lit up. So on their webpage, you can connect your wallet, get it with Ethereum. It says buy presale. It says learn about coin utility. You could stake to get 120% API. Or APY, sorry. It says you can receive drift airdrops prior to open trading and pay a dynamic sell fee when you sell. So that's interesting. So it's a ready-to-play game. Payout Pursuit is a groundbreaking Web3 skills-based racing game that is played on browser. So the name of the token is Drift, but the game is called Payout Pursuit. The V1 beta version is ready to play, requiring no downloads and no wallet connection. V2 will see Web3 integration, allowing racers to race against each other for crypto prizes. It's going to be cross-chain connectivity, so you can play the beta version right now. So the beta version's available. It's a Web3 project like no other, a token for speculators, a cross-chain game for competitive gamers, a platform for influencers to earn, and a whole new approach. Now, you can learn about a lot more by reading their full white paper. That is at drifttoken.io/whitepaper.pdf. It's a 27-page white paper. Tons of info over there. So check that out and let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.